Hello, kindergarten. We're doing some more practice comparing numbers today. This page is pretty quick and easy, just some more practice at looking at numbers and just thinking about which one is more, which one is less. So we're going to do the front together and kind of talk about it, and then I'm going to let you work through most of this on your own for some practice. All right, so we're going to compare two numbers. It says, look at these two numbers. What are these two numbers? We've got 7 and 8. It says, when you count, does 7 come before or after 8? When you count, what do you say first? Do you say 7 first or 8 first? Let's think about it. Let's count and see which one we get to first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We said 7 first, didn't we? So that means that 7 is less than 8. And if 7 is less than 8, then 8 is greater than or more than 7. So we're going to circle those two sentences that say 7 is less than 8, 8 is greater than 7. That's all we're going to be doing today. We're going to be looking at two numbers, just the numerals, just the digits, no pictures. And we're going to think about when we count which we come to first, which comes last, and that's going to kind of help you figure out if it comes first, it's going to be less than the other number. All right? I'm just going to go over the directions, okay? On this page, you're going to look at each set of numbers. You're going to think about your counting order, and you're going to circle the number that is greater. Okay? So on this page, you're looking at each set of numbers, thinking about which one comes last when you count, which is the greater number, which means more. On this page, you're going to do the opposite. On this page for each set, you're going to circle the number that is less. Okay, so it's going to be the number you get to first when you count. And then on the back, there's a couple of little word problems down here at the bottom, okay? You're going to have someone at your house read you those word problems, and you're going to kind of draw pictures and help you figure out which is more, which is less. All right, good luck.